Next, we're going to get started making our fish-free tuna macaroni salad. So, we have our 2 cups of the macaroni noodles. Then we have our green peppers, red bell peppers, red onions, and celery. And our prize winner, our fish-free tuna. Then we have relish, which is about a quarter of a cup, and a third of a cup of ketchup, and about a tablespoon of black pepper, and about a tablespoon of the seasoned salt, and also our third of a cup of vegan mayonnaise. You can use any sort of mayonnaise that are vegan based. The sweeter the mayonnaise, the better. So, alright, so we're going to start with the process. And also, I forgot to mention, you can use Old Bay seasoning. Just adds a little kick to it. Alright, and so we'll put this aside here. And we're going to start with our vegan tuna. So we want to mash it. So when you put it in your macaroni salad, you don't want big chunks. So you want to try to get as fine as possible so that the mayonnaise will definitely blend in well. So you want to mash it pretty good. So and this is one of the things that I mentioned, that this product is great. It could be room for improvement, but only if the texture could be a lot softer. This way that it can break easily with the fork. So the softer the texture, you are in the game. So, like I said, I'm pretty sure the next generation of these kind of products, it'll definitely be better. But that's just my commentary. So, as you can see, I'm going to mush this a little further. Okay. And sometimes when you add mayonnaise, that also helps break down a little bit. So we can get a nice and almost like tuna. So how it breaks apart like that. So you're just going to break it down with a fork. And some of the juices that it contains with helps break it down a little bit. So I just want to break it a little further, because you don't want to bite into solid chunks. Alright. So that's it. And for our sauce, put this in here, like so. Mayonnaise. Okay. A third of a cup. Then we'll pour our relish. This would be like making Russian dressing. So like $1,000 dressing. So I'm going to incorporate that in the real good. So this is what. This is my mother's recipe, and give her credit because this is what she told me to make tuna salad for her. So this is what we want to have, and you can add a little more ketchup. All right. Ketchup has sugar and vinegar, so this is a great combination for making macaroni salads. So this is the consistency. Alright. And we'll set this aside. Okay. Alright. And we're going to save this for last. We'll put our seasonings in. This aside. And next we'll take our macaroni. Okay, pour it like so. There we go. Alright. And get my fork, my spoon, and we're going to just kind of. So we're going to add our onions, our green peppers, bell peppers, green peppers, Then we're going to add our celery. Okay. I'm going to add all of that in there, like so. And I'm going to give it a good stir, like so. And I just love the color that it creates. Okay. So it's nice red and white. And some of the onions. So this is a great combination. Alright. Okay. So you want to get the oil incorporated. And next we're going to add our tuna. So we're going to actually I want to soften this up a little bit. I'm just going to add a little bit of the sauce. I'm just going to soften everything up just a bit more so that it incorporates into the salad much easier. Okay, as you can see, it starts to break apart. So, like I said, you don't want chunks into your salad, so you want to just go in nice and soft. Consistency. Alright. Okay. So then take a nice good mixture. There we go. Then we pour this into our macaroni. Surprisingly, it looks almost smells like tuna, but not quite. But so we take this and we're just going to, like so. Alright. Get all that incorporated. So it takes 2 packs just to make this. And then I'm going to add our homemade 1,000 dressing. So we're going to stir that. So, there we go. You want this to be nice and saucy. So we're just going to pour this in. Then after that, we're going to add another 1/4 cup of vegan mayonnaise. So this is the base. So this. Alright, so we'll get nice and stirred. Then we add our pepper. Now you want to use fresh pepper, and if you use old pepper, you're going to use a lot more. Fresh pepper has a more potent flavor, so make sure you start off with fresh pepper, because when you open it, you can smell the aroma of the pepper right away. Now, old pepper, if you can't smell the aroma, that's when you need to use fresh pepper. So especially fresh store-bought pepper. So we'll put this like so. Alright. So you can see. And then seasoned salt. Look at that. One thing about being vegan, that I do miss tuna, and this is by far the closest thing to vegan tuna salad. And by golly, this is definitely a treat to be able to come across this product and make delicious tuna salad. So, alright, next I'm going to add another spoonful of mayonnaise, 2 spoonfuls there, and that should be enough. Okay. Okay. So that should do it. So you want your macaroni salad, tuna salad to be nice and saucy, and when it sits overnight, the onions, the bell peppers, everything will just combines nicely. And then it's optional. You can use just a tad bit, and you don't have to, but I like a little extra kick to my seasonings. So, all right. You want to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about maybe 2 to 3 hours, and that's when all the flavor and everything combines. So, and you can see how nice that looks. And this is how you make vegan tuna salad. All right, taste. So. Bon appetit. And that is how you make vegan, fish-free tuna salad. Good.